Hello everyone, welcome back to Grad to Corporate. Today we are discussing the Capgemini on Campus Drive 2026 for Software Engineer 2 role. If you are a 2026 batch student, make sure you watch this video till the end because I will explain the eligibility, job role, CTC, hiring process and important dates in detail. Capgemini is a global professional service company known for its expertise in technology, consulting, and digital transformation. The company operates in more than 50 countries and works with several Fortune 500 clients across the world. Founded in 1967, headquartered in Paris, France, and it operates in the IT services consultancy industries. In this drive, Capgemini is hiring for software engineer role. As a software engineer, you will be involved in designing, developing, testing, and maintaining the software applications. You will work on the real client project using the modern technologies and framework. Based on your assessment and interview performance, you may be offered for the role of analyst, analyst prime, or the senior analyst with a CTC ranging from 4.25 to 7.5 LPE. To be eligible for this drive, candidates must have completed BE, BTech, ME, MTech from any branch. Candidates from BCA, MCA, and dual degree programs are also eligible. You must have no active backlog and 1 year education gap is allowed. Only full-time education is accepted and the degree must be completed within the stipulated duration. This hiring is strictly for 2026 batch. It is a fresher hiring drive, so no prior work experience is required. Final year students who are graduating in 2026 can apply. The job location for this role is Pan-India. Capgemini has multiple project locations and your final location will be decided based on the business requirement and project needs. As a software engineer at Capgemini, you will work on the software development, coding and debugging. You will be involved in the real-time client project and may also be work on automation and new emerging technologies. The hiring process includes multiple stages. It starts with a registration and screening, followed by cognitive assessment, English assessment, technical assessment, and a coding assessment. Candidates who clear all these rounds will be called for the final interview. The communication round is 30 minutes long. This round includes speaking, listening, and reading tasks along with the question and answer activities. The main focus here is on your confidence, clarity, and communication skills. The technical assessment is 40 minutes long. Questions will be asked from the programming fundamental, DBMS, operating system, computer networks, and data structures. You can also expect the pseudocodes question and the basic concept related to networking, security, and cloud computing. This is a gamified cognitive assessment with a duration of 24 minutes. It includes games like Motion, Grit, Switch, and Digit, which test your logical thinking, attention, and reasoning abilities, including the deductive and the inductive reasoning. The coding assessment lasts for 45 minutes and includes 2 coding questions. The difficulty level is easy to medium, similar to the lead code problems. You can code in any of the programming languages such as Java, Python, C++, C#, or the front-end technologies. This round is mandatory for candidates aiming for analyst or the senior analyst roles. For the analyst role, the interview will include communication skills, resume basic questions, and the technical discussion. For analyst prime and the senior analyst role, the interview will focus more on coding and the technical depth, followed by the HR and the managerial questions related to your project's confidence and resume. Make sure you note this important date. The last date to apply is 14 January 2026 at 11:59 pm. The English assessment will be conducted virtually on 17 Jan 2026 and the technical assessment will be held on 24th January 2026. All these two are done in a virtual mode. You can apply through the official Capgemini career portal or via the link provided by your college placement cell or the TPO. Make sure you fill the detail carefully as incorrect information may lead to rejection. If this video helped you, please like, share and subscribe to Grad to Corporate for the regular job updates. Comment your branch and the batch below, and I'll try to help you as much as possible. All the best for your Capgemini placement and your career ahead.